Was it cold-blooded murder or self-defense on the highway? This Tampa man was shot and killed by another driver in June. Now, the suspect, Curtis James, is charged with manslaughter, but he says he was forced to fire in self-defense. And this morning, he faced a judge. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez shows us how he plans to fight the charges.
They were traveling in the westbound lanes of Waters Avenue. It appears that the victim exited his vehicle at the traffic light. The shooter did not exit the vehicle.
No one knows why Freddy Hernandez got out of his car at the intersection of Waters Avenue and East Anderson Road on the night of June 10th. But that decision would be fatal.
It does not appear that the two men knew each other.
Investigators say he approached the driver in front of him, who shot and killed Hernandez. They say Curtis James pulled the trigger.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Taylor for Curtis James.
His attorney says his client was the victim of a road rage incident and was forced to defend himself. Yet prosecutors charged Curtis with first-degree manslaughter. In court this morning, his attorney addressed those charges.
Waive reading, enter a plea of not guilty.
Curtis entered a plea of not guilty, and his attorney will likely try to beat the charges under Florida's Stand Your Ground defense. Attorney Anthony Rickman, who is not connected to this case, believes that's exactly where this case is headed.
We know the shooter stayed on scene. We know the shooter cooperated with law enforcement. We know the shooter provided detectives with a statement. So most likely that shooter is telling law enforcement that he was protecting himself and acting under the law.
His next court date is set for October. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
Now, James is out of jail on bond, and as you heard there, he has another court hearing in October.